In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding statuses on ClickUp for beginners. If you're new to ClickUp or you've only scratched the surface so far, you're in the right place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get into your workspace, navigate to the right place, create a task, update its status through a few common stages, and even create a brand new status that matches the way your team works. I'll keep it clear and practical, and I'll share helpful context along the way so everything clicks the first time you try it. Statuses are one of the most important parts of ClickUp. They don't just label work, they shape how you communicate progress, coordinate across a team, and ultimately move projects forward. Let's dive in and set you up the right way from the start. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. Head to the official ClickUp website and sign in with the account you use for work. Take a second to type your email carefully and enter your password exactly as it's set. Check that caps lock isn't on and make sure any password manager you use fills it correctly. Then click the Login button. As soon as your credentials are accepted, you'll land inside ClickUp and see your dashboard. Think of this as your central hub. From here, you can get to your tasks, your team spaces, your docs, your recent activity, pretty much everything you'll use day to day. If you're on a shared device, remember to log out later. And if your team uses extra security, follow any verification prompts before moving on. Next, hover to your workspace area so you can get oriented and move to the right place. In ClickUp, your workspace holds your teams, your spaces, and all the work that lives under them. As you move your mouse through the main navigation, you'll notice that it's easy to jump between sections, like Home, Notifications, and the areas where your projects live. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the sidebar, because that's where you'll find your spaces and lists. You don't need to explore everything now. The focus is simply to reach the part of ClickUp where your team keeps projects that need statuses. Go to the overview of your team space. This is often labeled something like Overview or Team Space in your workspace. The overview gives you a clear, high-level starting point, so you're never guessing where to go next. From this screen, you can find the space you'll be working in today. It helps to think of spaces as the top-level containers for related work, like a department, a major program, or a function inside your company. Once you're in the overview, click into the space that's relevant to you. For the walkthrough today, we'll work inside an HR space to add a status there. If you don't use an HR space, just pick the one that matches your work: a marketing space, a product space, an operations space, anything that holds the projects and lists you're managing. Clicking into the space will bring up its structure and content. You may see folders, lists, or tasks already set up by your team. That's perfect. You can add and update statuses right where the work lives. Keeping statuses inside the right space ensures your team sees consistent stages and knows exactly what each status means for that type of work. Once you're inside that space, switch to List View. List View gives you a clean, structured look at all your tasks in a table-style layout. It's popular because it's simple, fast, and great for managing statuses. You'll see columns for task name, assignee, due date, and of course, status. If you're looking at a different view, like board or calendar, you can still work with statuses, but for this walkthrough, List View keeps everything clear and easy to follow. Click List so that your tasks are shown in rows and you can make quick updates without jumping around. Now add a new task to work with.